Starting on number 17, you have a model rocket is launched from a site on level ground. So this means this part right here tells me I'm at 0 meters. I'm launching from the ground. That'll be important for later. 1 second after the rocket is launched, it's at a height of 20.1. And I'm just going to start writing out coordinates to remember later. So I've got 0, 0, 1 second, 20.1 meters. 1 additional second later, so I'm at 2 seconds. I'm at 30.4. Okay. It says a quadratic regression is ran on this. And basically it wants us to find a quadratic regression and find what's going to be back on the ground. Because if you think about it, if I launch this rocket and ran here, I start here, it's going to launch up, launch up, launch up, and then my rocket's going to come back down, right? So rocket will land back on the ground. It's looking for the x-intercept or the 0 here. I got to find the 0 here. So basically my steps are run the quadratic regression, and then graph it to find the 0. So let's run that quadratic regression together. I can go to my calculator app here, and if I go to stat, edit, I'm going to put my x in L1 and my y in L2. So I've got 0, 1, and 2. And then I'm at 0, let me see what I was at. 0, 20.1, and 30.4. Okay. And then to run my regression, I'm just going to quit out of here. I'm going to go to stat again, calculate, and go down to quadratic regression, and just press enter. Okay. So, sorry. This is being a little funky. Let me flip it for a second so I can see it. It's just because my iPad's flipped the other way. So, negative 4.9 and 25. Okay, that's my A, B, and C. So my quadratic equation that I get here for 1 is negative 4.9 x squared plus 25x, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there we go. So I'm going to graph this one in this step and see where the 0 is. Graph. So negative 4.9 x squared plus 25x. If I graph it, second trace and do my 0. Trying to see if I'm left bound. So left there, go to the right here. So my 0 here is at 5.102. So at t equals 5.102, that is my answer for this.